In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you use PowerPoint often, customizing the Quick Access Toolbar can save you a lot of time. This is the small toolbar that gives you one-click access to commands you use regularly. So instead of searching through tabs, you can keep your favorite tools right where you need them. To get started, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the File tab. This will take you into PowerPoint's settings area, where you can manage options and personalize the way the program works. Once you're in the File section, look for the Quick Access Toolbar settings and click on that. This opens the customization window for the toolbar, where you'll see two main boxes. Typically, the box on the left shows available commands you can add, and the box on the right shows the commands that are already on your Quick Access Toolbar. If your goal is to rearrange the toolbar, go to the box on the right and click the tool you want to move. After selecting it, use the arrow buttons to change its position. This is helpful if you want your most used commands to appear earlier in the toolbar, making them faster and easier to reach. Take a moment to think about the order that makes the most sense for your workflow. If you want to add a tool to the toolbar, click a command from the box on the left, then click Add. That will move the selected command into the list on the right, which means it will now appear on your Quick Access Toolbar. This is a great way to include commands you use all the time, especially if they are usually buried inside menus or tabs. As you make changes, keep an eye on the list on the right, since that's the final layout of your toolbar. It's a simple way to confirm that everything is in the position you want before applying the changes. When you're done rearranging or adding tools, click OK. PowerPoint will save your changes immediately, and your updated Quick Access Toolbar will be ready to use. That's all it takes to customize the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft PowerPoint. With just a few quick adjustments, you can create a setup that feels more efficient and personalized, helping you work faster every time you open a presentation.